Hi, my name is Dr. Jagdish Chaturvedi. I'm an ear, nose, throat surgeon and I get asked a lot of questions, like a lot. And most of them are reasonable, but some of them are really weird. Like really weird. So because I'm an ENT doctor और खासकर नोस में ये क्वेश्चन कुछ लोग मुझसे पूछ चुके हैं. They ask me, how do I use this nose spray? Take the spray close to your nose and use it. Nose spray है, nose में डाल के spray कर दो. इसको क्या फुसफुस की तरह थोड़ी यूज करोगे? Alright? But I'm not making fun of you. But sometimes if it says nose spray, put it in the nose. So a lot of people concerned with snoring और उसके related ये महान सवाल पूछा गया है. Doctor, if I snore in the night, is it okay if I cover my face with the pillow all night? I'm like, yes. Snoring will definitely go away and your partner may also go into jail. See, snoring is not just the problem of sound that you have to close it with a pillow. Snoring can be a problem where oxygen is stopping into your brain. And there's a condition called obstructive sleep apnea. So go see a doctor, ask them whether this snoring is a problem in which the brain is stressed, the heart is stressed. Is a condition called obstructive sleep apnea और उसका अलग इलाज है. Alright? Sound के ऊपर focus मत कीजिए, जो बीमारी है उसके ऊपर focus कीजिए. ये वाला एक, I mean, it's a genuine question, but somebody's asked me, Doctor, I am bald on my head, but I have hair everywhere else. Why? अब मैं इसका क्या बोलूँगा? Some people are just blessed with more hair everywhere, and some people are not blessed with hair in the head. But the answer is the testosterone hormone, right? Those hormones, they control the hair growth on your head, and sometimes because of those fluctuations in those hormones or stress or genetics, you can have baldness. But right now it's also a cool thing, so don't be so worried about it. And then this is some youngster who is very woke has asked me this question. Sir, I want to get plastic surgery on my face, but is there a way to do this in a plastic-free way? I'm like, yes, we use organic surgical tools, which we have just grown out of the farms, and then we operate on you. The term plastic surgery has nothing to do with plastic. It just means things are going to be artificially done. That's where the word plastic comes. But what we usually use in plastic surgery are other parts of your body fixed in some other parts to make you look good. And sometimes we use things like silicone, or sometimes we use prosthetics, but usually they are biocompatible plastics and not the kind that make the environment bad. So guys, these were a lot of questions, some were weird, some were reasonable, but what's most important is ask these questions because that's very important for your health. But ask these questions to the right people. Go to a platform like Practo where there are a lot of qualified doctors who in a click of a button will be able to answer all your queries, whether they're weird or whether they're reasonable. Don't worry about that. What's important is that you're questioning about your health, you're monitoring it, and that's very important for you to stay safe. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you liked it, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. And stay tuned for more such videos on Practo.